this would be considered animal abuse.
It's not animal abuse.
She just can't get it. Though she tries.
Oh, she's not after it.
Abandoned shoe.
Abandoned shoe.
Oh, she's getting back on.
Oh, she's getting back on
Gotta
the shoe.
stay on the shoe.
Because of me, now she's gonna like always try to kill the shit out of this thing.
Get
Because
it.
it tries to steal her fucking shoe,
Get it.
man.
Oh, get it.
Oh, it's so
I got the shoe. Haha, bitch.
It's just chill on the shoelaces.
Oh, dude. She's going ape shit. I'm taping this.
I'm showing you my butt.
There you go. We're riled up.
Oh no.
What the hell is that thing?
That just made me think of like if Stewie was a cat, it would have been like, what the deuce are you doing on my back?
Then he'd make a sexual comment about it.
Yeah.
That's what he's like now. I feel right, Brian. I feel right. Didn't we just watch that one the other day?
Knock knock.
No.
Who's there?
Just
Stewie.
Stewie.
And he'll be
And
here
he's always
forever.
going to be there for you. Dear Lord. My very special friend Brian. That's you.
That's you.
And I guess that's pretty much it. Amen. Go here. Go here.
She's poised to. Oh, there she goes.
Oh, don't leave the shoe. Don't leave the
Ah!
shoe. Oh, there you go. Oh, attack the pants.
Haha! I prevailed again, bitch!
No more pants.
She'll claw your legs. She's like, what's this, flesh? My
She wants
favorite.
blood.
Blood.
Get him. Get him. Oh, that was
I
funny.
knew that was gonna
She
happen.
couldn't get the
waiting
thing,
for
so
it,
she
do
goes
it.
for my leg. I'm gonna put the
Waiting.
jean down.
Poor Levi and all his
She
battle.
kept it
Okay, are we ready to
What?
light
course.
your candle?
Yeah.
Eat some cake?
Uh-huh.
Off my leg.
Is she being feisty? or-
Yes.
Yeah.
She's getting
He
pissed.
clawed his leg earlier.
Yeah. She got caught on my jeans, so I lifted the jeans up. Then Jake was playing with that thing over here, and she just looks at it for a sec. Then she turns to my leg and claws it.
Displacement.
Yep. Couldn't get that, so she went for the leg.